Hey everyone, it's Austin from Krebsy's Crypto, and for my first video here, I'm just going to be explaining my channel and like what I do. So what I do is I mine altcoins and cryptocurrency. I don't have the greatest setup as I just had a bunch of spare computers and computer parts laying around, so I decided to build up some miners and just get my foot started into this. I started messing around with like miners and cryptocurrency at the beginning of this year. I was looking into it like pretty much all of last year, just gaining info and knowledge on it. But yeah, so I'll just show you my crypto setup here. I'll just turn on my light here so we can see. So as you see, I have my fan set up right here. I have it just blowing some fresh air right into here. I don't have the greatest graphics card. I'll just try to get it in up here. I just have my closet set up here. It's the GeForce GTX 760. So obviously it's a quite old graphics card, but it's only 2 gigs of RAM, but I got it running and mining. And right here is my i3 CPU miner. It has the graphics, but that's just in case anything goes wrong, so I can jump on it pretty quickly. But yeah, overall this is just my setup here sitting in my closet. I'll just step back, sorry for the bad video like angles and such. It's my first one here. But yeah, I just have a basic shoe rack, and then I have it on just a glass table. And as you see, I'll try to get a good angle. I have some spacers set up there, like little legs holding up the motherboard and such. I'll try to get it up. And those ones are custom made there. But yeah, so I just have it rised up so it can have better airflow and obviously not just sitting right on the wood. And then I have my power supplies down here so they have nice airflow, and then the hard drives, of course. But like I said, I'm still getting into it and learning how to do all this and everything. So yeah, feel free to let me know in the comments on anything I could do to improve it. I'm obviously going to be getting better equipment and everything, but that being said, I am just trying to get started. Right now I have it mining just some digibyte. I was doing some Dogecoin, but I found the digibyte was more profitable. We'll go over to my computer and I'll just quickly show you my setup. So I am using Awesome Miner as you see here. I just have it set up with the free edition. I'm going to be obviously getting the paid version, but I just want to get it set up and running first off. But my GPU miner here, I just have it running at usually around 65 to 67 degrees. And I got 279 kilohashes. I know it's probably pretty slow and everything, but you have to remember I don't pay for electricity really. It's all inclusive, so it all works out for me. It's all just extra profit and something I'm doing on the side. And then my CPU miner right there usually runs about 77 to 78, but my high is only 77 so far, so that's pretty good. It's only getting about 134. I figured to put it on the same coin, so obviously it converts the coin to digibyte. I was using YesScript, I think it's called, but it wasn't as profitable I found, and this one's a little bit easier on the CPU and GPU. So if you actually want to see a full setup of Awesome Miner, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be glad to show you. Yeah, but anyways, this is just my basic closet mining setup here. As you see, it's just a double door closet. And then I just have it set up just down in the corner there. It always stays at the temperature that I showed you. It's pretty good airflow. I'm planning to add to it and obviously just make this one dedicated for GPUs. Once I get my hands on some, obviously right now is not the good time because of the reselling and shortages and all the chaos in the GPU world. But yeah, my CPU miner, I might end up keeping it, I don't know. I'm more pushing towards ending up with a GPU rig setup. Obviously it's more profitable and everything. But yeah, if you have any tips or if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button. And I'll be posting more content and updates as I go along with this process. And I'll be posting other info like setups, tutorials, just info about altcoins, crypto. I'm not going to be sitting there pumping any coins, posting what to buy, all that like other YouTubers do. I'm just going to be simply posting about mining and trying to help you guys, and I'm also trying to learn too. So as a community, we can obviously work together. But I hope you all enjoyed, and this is Krebsy Crypto signing out.